Coming up on Good Taste, hot tunes, cool eats. It's soul food on Sundays every day at Tony G's. Then this stunning new spot is all the buzz in Houston. Here, elegant French flavors pair up with vibrant Vietnamese fare.
So this is my chance to take Vietnamese cuisine one step further.
Plus, the Harvard grad who gave up fashion for the farm. The result? One of Austin's freshest spots.
I kind of just felt like getting my hands in the dirt.
Good Taste with Tanji starts right now. Hi everyone, welcome to Good Taste. I'm Tanji Patton. Each week we road trip the state to bring you some really good eats. Also, the stories behind the folks that make it all happen. Up first, we're going to introduce you to a man who made it his mission to bring soulful sounds and Southern food to the Alamo City. As you're about to find out, it's always a good time at Tony G's. The catfish are sizzling, while the syrup is drizzling over crispy fried chicken and waffles. Flaky, buttery biscuits are a delicious touch, too.
I know y'all know the words to this song. Hey!
Sundays here are a celebration of soul food and down-home Southern cooking.
The chicken was to die for, the macaroni, the biscuits, delicious.
Welcome to Tony G's Soul Food in San Antonio.
It's a great meal.
It's a party for your palate at Tony G's, every day for breakfast and lunch. But on Sunday, it's a brunch like no other, featuring more than 30 classic Southern comfort foods, like those homemade chicken and waffles, a hearty gumbo, candied yams, creamy grits, and desserts to die for.
I think I have mushrooms, though.
One of the most popular dishes on Sundays, the oxtail. They even make oxtail tacos, slow cooked till the meat falls off the bone. All topped with house-made coleslaw, tossed in a tangy cilantro lime dressing.
Fried chicken plate going up.
Tony's crispy fried chicken takes you right back to old Savannah. Served with home-style mac and cheese, candied sweet potatoes, sauteed collard greens, and a cornbread muffin.
All right, Mama.
All righty.
Do your thing on there.
Use your syrup.
Or the New Orleans-style po' boy, made with hand-seasoned Red River catfish fillets, quick-fried and nestled inside a fresh-baked hoagie, plated with a pile of homemade waffle fries.
The Oxtail Tacos are amazing. Mimosas are good. The buffet is extraordinary.
Tony G's is just what Houston native Tony Gradney hoped for when he dreamed of opening this restaurant.
Hi, how you doing?
What did you envision when you wanted to do this restaurant?
There was really no soul foods here in San Antonio, and so coming from Houston, we like the soul food type flair, and here on the east side, there was just nowhere to eat.
His goal? To bring the great food he grew up with and the soulful music to San Antonio's east side.
Soul food is something that your grandmother cooked for Sunday. You sit around the Sunday table, you're eating ham hocks, oxtails, red beans and rice, and gumbo. Different things like that, your mac and cheese, and your greens.
Tony hopes you'll feel like family here too. A free shuttle will drive you from your parked car right to the front door. In the kitchen, Executive Chef Earl Graham brings those Southern flavors to life with dishes like that very popular braised oxtail. I've seen oxtail, I've eaten oxtail. It really is.
It really is.
The tail!
A tail. It's not an ox, but it's a cow.
It's cut into different sizes, some more meaty than others, some more marrow. It's seasoned with salt and pepper and seared in a hot pan that seals in the juices.
The little ones you can just kind of, when no one's looking, you can just pick it up and just pop it in your mouth, suck the meat right out that bone there.
Yum. Lots of layers of flavor here. A splash of red wine adds even more. A velvety beef stock is ladled on top, and then a South Texas twist is added.
I call it soul fusion, my own little thing.
Soul fusion, I love that. First, salsa verde. Is that with tomatillos?
That's tomatilla salsa, yes. Okay. And then my other secret ingredient that you can't tell anybody about
All right, it's just our secret.
is rotel tomato.
All this goodness cooks for about 4 hours.
So when you're done, this is gonna look like this. All of the vegetables, the rich stock, all the flavors have incorporated themselves together.
Time to dig in. My first long tail of
There's the
oxtail.
oxtail. Just like pot roast, right? She can't stop, see? And that's why people keep coming back for these oxtails.
I'm from New Orleans, but I look like Tony G just might have the better oxtails than we got.
Southern comfort food so good, you'll want to come back and try everything at Tony G's. All the while kicking back to the fantastic music. Brunch at Tony G's is not to be missed. Coming up, we're heading to Austin and saving you a spot under the shade of this ancient oak tree. Here, salads shine, just like the energy from this feisty fashion maven turned farmer and chef. But next, a stunning new spot in H-Town.
Feels like you're in tropical France.
There's a place for you at our table. We'll be right back. Good things come from Cisco.